Hello guys and welcome to the first tech demo of our SPC Telemetry Tool. We can hop in and start with double clicking the file, and then we just load some telemetry data. This for instance is from the 24 hours of Daytona last week. We can see all data now with the fastest lap of the session already pre-selected as our reference or base lap. If we select another lap, we can compare them against each other and see their delta in this section over here. As we see, there might have been a problem in this corner, and when we zoom in, it's already getting clear that this is the corner where we lost the most of the time in this lap. We can navigate to the graphs by just using our mouse, scroll wheel, or our keyboard. We can also make use of the track map and go to certain corners with just a single click. Now we go to the second screen, where we can see 4 histograms showing the left front, left rear and right rear shock velocity of the 4 corners of the car. This is very useful for setting up the dampers and fine-tuning the performance of the car. The next feature is the XY scatter plot, where we can plot a value. In this instance is a speed against another value, RPM in this case, and now we see the XY scatter plot of the data. Now let's have a closer look at the track map, where we can see our line during the lap and plot a channel as an overlay. In this case is it speed with a gradient red to green. We can also choose a different pattern like white to blue, magma, or opacity from 1 to 100. Let's go with the gradient, and we see we are fast on the straights, and of course in slow corners we are much slower, so it's green in this case. There are also 4 separate analysis windows, starting with the sector analysis, showing a heat map of all sectors during the whole session. The next feature is the histogram, and here we can plot our lap times and see the performance over the whole session. In this case we loaded a second stint. This is stint 2, and we can compare them against each other. We can trim the data to the right or to the left and select the size of the bins freely. We also have a corner analysis window where we can see each corner with speeds, apex and exit position. We can go to each corner and just see the data right on the plot. Without needing to search for it, we can just click and see each corner. There's also a brake analysis window where we can see the traces from each braking zone and select one that we want to compare against the reference lap.